So we're back in Luton,
right near the Luton Airport flight path, so we've made the application, we've had it approved.
We've already been told by
A security guard here that we're not allowed to film this, but we're not on the site, we're off to the side where we're approved to be by ATC, stood on a public road. And this was originally approved to be a massive retail development. It was going to be, that's the M1 there in the foreground. You see it running past, just off Junction 10. This was going to be a massive retail development. They expected it to be John Lewis, something like that, and shops, offices, housing. COVID came along. John Lewis shut a number of stores, and instead the planning permission was changed to a huge Glen car development. So it's going to be 3 of these big warehouses, and they are massive. They're dominating the skyline as you come down the motorway now. You can't really get the best angle on it from where we've been able to stand, but
it gives you an idea of the size.
just spin the drone around a little bit. These have also popped up in Milton Keynes. They've just developed one of these sites in MK. As we come to the left. Did get permission to go all the way over the top of the site. But unfortunately, the roads are all closed. Don't have my bike with me, so I can't really cycle foot past. But that gives an idea just how big this development will be at Junction 10. Has been sold by Luton Football Club now. And this will all be developed into warehousing instead of a retail office. But yeah, just a very quick, won't be long video, showing the size of the site. It's absolutely massive. You don't get a feel for how big it is when you're passing in the car. Yeah, I got asked to get a video of this, so this gives you guys an idea of just how big this area is and how big these warehouses are going to be. I'll see if I can get somewhere closer, but as things progress here. As always, thanks for watching, and any other recommendations, please send them through.